Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Today we are going to discuss about acids, bases, and salts. Are you familiar with the word acid? Do you know what are the uses of acids and bases? What is the need of studying acids and bases in our daily life? We use in our daily life a large number of substances such as lemon, tamarind, common salt, sugar, vinegar, curd, tomato sauce, etc. Do they have same taste? No. Some substances taste sour, some taste bitter, some taste sweet, and some taste salty also. Why are these so? Let's discuss. Food items such as lemon, vinegar, tamarind, curd, tomato sauce, etc. taste so because these food items contain acids. Then what is acid? Acids are substances that taste sour and their nature is acidic. The term acid is derived from the Latin word acere, which means sour. Some common substances and acid present in it. Lemon and oranges contain citric acid. Milk contain lactic acid. Vinegar contain acetic acid. Grapes and tamarind contain tartaric acid. Gastric juice contain hydrochloric acid. Amla contain ascorbic acid. Next, types of acids. Mainly there are two types of acids, organic acids and inorganic acids. First one, organic acid. They occur naturally in plants and animals. For example, lactic acid, acetic acid and citric acid. As you know, milk contains lactic acid. Vinegar contains acetic acid. Oranges and lemon contain citric acid. Second type is inorganic acids. They are artificially prepared. They are derived from mineral resources. So they are called as mineral acid. For example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Next, base. What is base? What is its taste? Can you list some examples of basic substances we use? Bases are the substances that taste bitter and soapy to touch. For example, bleaching powder. Some common substances and the base present in it. Lime water. It contains calcium hydroxide. Window cleaner. It contains ammonium hydroxide. Soap. Soap contains sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. Milk of magnesia contains magnesium hydroxide. Thus, we learned about acids and bases. But how can we identify whether the substance is acid or base? Can we taste it? No, it is harmful. So do not try to taste it. Then how do we find its nature? We can identify the substance using indicator. Next we are going to discuss about indicators. Indicators are the substances that are used to indicate whether a substance is acid or base. Can you guess some natural indicators? China rose, litmus paper, turmeric powder, and red cabbage, etc. are examples of some natural indicators. Now let's make indicator using China rose. Soak some petals of China rose in a warm water for a couple of hours. The red colored solution is used as indicator for detecting an acid or a base solution. It changes acidic solution to dark pink color and basic solution to green color. Next is litmus test. The most commonly used natural indicator is litmus. It is extracted from lichens. It has a mauve or purple color in distilled water. It is available in the form of a solution or in the form of strips of paper known as litmus paper. It is available as red and blue litmus paper. When added to acidic solution, it turns red, and when added to basic solution, it turns blue. Please use this code to remember ABR and BRB. ABR means acid turn blue litmus to red. BRB means base turns red litmus to blue. Next, turmeric indicator. Let's make indicator using turmeric powder also. Make a paste by adding water and turmeric powder. Apply this paste on a blotting paper and allow it to dry. Apply a drop of acidic or basic solution on the strip of turmeric paper. What's your observation? Note down the observation in your science notebook. These are about natural indicators. Next we are going to discuss about chemical indicators. Phenolphthalein. It is the one of the example for chemical indicator. It gives pink color in case of basic solution and remaining colorless in case of acidic solution. Differences between acids and bases. Acids have sour taste while bases have bitter in taste. Acid turn litmus paper red, whereas bases turn litmus paper blue. Acid remaining colorless in phenolphthalein solution, but bases impart pink color with phenolphthalein. Next, uses of acids. Acids are mainly used in the laboratory. Citric acid is used in medicine and flavoring drinks. Hydrochloric acid is used in tanning and printing industry. Oxalic acid is used as ink stain removers. Then uses of bases. is used in the manufacture of soap, detergent, and bleaching powder. Aluminum hydroxide, it's a base. It is used as foaming agent in the extinguisher. Ammonium hydroxide is used to remove grease stain from clothes. Next is about neutral substances. Substances that are neither acidic nor basic are called neutral substances. The solution which do not change the color of either red or blue litmus are known as neutral solution. For example, water. Find out more examples. Thank you and have a nice day.